This is Alim from Trimax Solutions, and this video is for Inventor power users who occasionally require the use of Solidworks. I know it's very frustrating that after 7 hours of being immersed in Inventor, to open Solidworks and try to use the same techniques and get different results. A good example is simply panning the viewport, so trying to move the model from one side of the screen to the other side. In Inventor, that is being done by holding down the middle mouse button and dragging the mouse. If you do that in Solidworks, you're going to spin the viewport instead of panning. You have to remember to hold down the control key when you drag the mouse with the middle button pressed. Can we change the default behavior of Solidworks? Well, there is no system option to do that. Fortunately, there is a free piece of software called X Mouse Button Control, written by this genius, Philip Gibbons. And you can simply Google X Mouse Button Control. It's going to take you to this page. Download it, install the software. Once it's installed, let's run it and see what happens. Notice the opportunity to add extra applications. So the mouse is going to behave differently depending on what applications you're running. It's a good idea to make sure you have Solidworks open, maybe with nothing else loaded, just the process to be in the memory. That's going to allow you to see it in the list of open processes. So I'm going to go and find SLDworks.exe. I'm going to change also the description to just simply Solidworks. I'm going to click OK. So whenever this application runs, right, I don't want this to apply to anything else, whatever I'm going to change, but just to Solidworks. Whenever the application runs, let's change the behavior of the middle mouse button. I'm going to simulate a combination of keys to be pressed. So when do I want that to happen? When I hold down the middle mouse button. So press on down, release on up, right? And here you have example of how you can, what's the syntax for representing those keys. So that's going to be control, and the middle mouse button is MMB. It should be somewhere in this list. So let me write it down. MMB. I want control and MMB to be there. Also, I want to be running only if the profiles process is active. So if Solidworks is not loaded in the memory, I don't want this to behave like that. Let me click OK. Also, let's put a description here. So simulate panning from Inventor. Click OK. And let's return to Solidworks. Let's see how it behaves right now. If I hold down the middle mouse button and I drag, and notice I'm not holding down control or anything, the panning happens naturally. So take advantage of this functionality and have less frustration when you occasionally need to use Solidworks. Thank you.